Hey, and good morning, everybody. This is Sherman Wright, and this is Leadership in Action for a Wednesday. We are really almost at the end of August right now, folks. I think it's August 29th. Just finished up our midweek run. Tried to get in 5 miles. I've got to be really quick because we've got the Christian Business Connection this morning, and we've got a special guest. So, many of you know we're working on the marathon right now, the Las Vegas Marathon. I think I'm going to get a shirt that says Las Vegas Marathon or Bust. And really try to get some more excitement about this. I believe what we're also going to do is going to make this a charity event. So we're probably going to start getting donations. So if you see this video, just contact me and find out all about the charity. We haven't decided yet, but we will make this a charity event and just find out who we're going to actually donate money to. I want to talk to you a little bit today about change and how important it is that there's really crucial timing in change. And what we mean by change in context of leadership is when you come into an organization, there is a lot of things that people have to deal with emotionally, psychologically, that kind of stuff. Not so much the physical aspects of it, but the emotional thing that really happens to people. And oftentimes what happens is people get attached to a leader or attached to a system as opposed to attached to the cause. And so it's very hard for you to try to make any changes to an organization, no matter how bad the previous things were. So it's important for you as a leader to understand that you can't just come in there and just start changing everything. Really, you need to begin to do a couple of things. One is start to gauge what's going on. Maybe sit in on the meetings or sit in on the organization for a little bit to understand what's going on. The second thing you need to begin to do is really make alliances. There are people who are in places of power who have been there for a long time, and they could be your best enemy or your best ally. And so hopefully they'll be your best ally. Also, just because you know that there's some changes that need to happen, it doesn't mean that that you can just go ahead and do them right away. Because once again, there's a timing element. There's a timing element to everything, and you've got to begin to really work through the timing of everything in order to make things to make a smooth transition. And finally, you've got to really begin to slowly make those changes to make them work for your organization. But one of the things I really want to just kind of get into your spirit is that you teach what you allow. Okay, and as a leader, you begin to really even when you get into organizations where you're going to have to make changes. And excuse me, I'm sweating really bad here because of the run. Even though you as a leader have come into an organization and you've made alliances with people and you've done all those things, you've got to really begin to say to yourself, okay, what am I going to allow in my organization in order for it to flourish and for it to take on your style. And that's a whole new video, but that is one of the. I'll just leave it with that, and maybe we'll continue this on the next one. As a matter of fact, we will. You teach what you allow, okay? And so we'll touch on that a little bit more also. I got so many things running through my head, but I can't do them all right now. Anyways, this has been Sherman Wright. It's been Leadership in Action. If you like what you heard today and you'd like to hear more, and you'd like to hear about teaching what you allow tomorrow, and also about feeding your success tree, we're going to talk about those in the next couple of days. This weekend we've got our long run, so we're going to bump it up a little bit. Remember, we are training for the Las Vegas Marathon. If you'd like to be with us on this training regimen, you don't have to be here, folks. Go to my website, which is www.shermanwright.com. Or you can go to redlettermedia.net. You can find it all about it. Just scroll down the page, go to where it says Success Training, Personal Success Coach. And right below there, you'll see our whole running regimen, and you can actually begin running with us. We're in week number 2 right now. The December 2nd, I believe, is the marathon. So, folks, if you'd like to be able to at least run the half marathon, come on, get on board with us right now. And if you'd like to run the full marathon, we're gearing up for that, folks. That's what we're really gearing up for. Okay, but we can guarantee you that you'll do it. Just contact me, and we'll actually run you through the whole thing and take you through the whole the personal success coaching training, and you'll just love it. It'll be great, and it'll impact your life. Anyways, this has been Sherman Wright. We will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.